just an update on the housing markets and the latest government announcements that they plan to relax restrictions this coming August, and what's happening out there and the best way to find a property at the moment. Our YouTube channel is something that we have developed massively over the last 12 months or so, and we've now hit over 1,000 subscribers. At the moment, we are currently selling properties and renting properties 20 to 30% to people who have viewed them on the YouTube channel prior to them being advertised on any of the major property portals. We're finding that this is still the quickest and most effective way for house hunters to find what is coming to the market way before they are advertised anywhere else. So if you haven't already subscribed, please do so, and remember to hit the notification icon to be given an alert as soon as all of the latest properties are advertised for sale and to rent on our YouTube channel. Stay safe and hopefully see you soon.